Get enough, but just explain why it's falling down on me. Dripping faces, looking for sun. The tired eyes are just